When's the last time you cleaned your RV water heater? If you haven't done it in a while or never, this is your sign to do it now. RV water heaters can develop and collect a lot of gunk over time with all of the hard water. I don't think this one has ever been cleaned out. There was a lot of buildup in there, so I had to have my husband yank it out, and it was disgusting. It's a good thing I had my husband do this one. Some RV water heaters don't have an anode rod, but this one did. Installing a filtration system will help with the hard water, but over time, you'll still have to flush your water heater. Luckily, this one will be replaced with a tankless water heater, but it's still fun to show you what can build up in there. Look at these rocks that were stuck. This could be the hot water that you're washing your dishes with or taking a shower with in your RV. All of these mineral deposits can build up on the bottom and just collect like sand. When it's time to clean it out, you can get a long clear tube attachment to your water hose. It goes straight into your tank, so you can try to get as much of this gunk out of there as possible. Turning the water on and flushing it this way will not get all the sediment on the bottom, so you'll need that attachment. Also, before you start any of the process, make sure that you have a large bucket to collect all this nasty water. Follow for more RV tips.